Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and skip the first part of my prep for acrylic nails and just start with the dehydrator and the primer and go right into acrylic application. Prior to doing this step, I did prep her natural nails and use the I put her tips on. I used the tips from Nails and Blinks today, and I just kind of cut the sides off. She wanted a more oval shape, so this is actually like a first that I've ever done, I believe. I usually just do like almond, square, and coffin if that's what my client wants. So today was pretty exciting to be able to do this oval shape. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in this video, you guys, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I'm going to be giving away stuff from my not polished mystery boxes, and then just some extra goodies that I am not going to be using, so I want to gift that to somebody. Hopefully get you guys started on your nail journey or continue and add to your collection. So yeah, go ahead and going in with my acrylic application. I'm just starting with my medium or small beads of acrylic and just placing that there on the nail. I'm not going to make these nails super thick. They are pretty short. And yeah, so I'm using Perfect Nude from Valentino in this video. I'm also using my number 10 alpha brush. I've kind of downgraded and started using my number 10 brush here lately. It's been a little easier for me to use. I still am struggling just a tad with my acrylic, powder, liquid stuff, ratio, all that good stuff. Trying to figure it all out. I did get a small space heater for my nail suite, and that has definitely helped my acrylic application because I'm able to regulate my temperature in my room a lot better than before. I just want to let you guys know I am so excited and still just so happy that I moved into my suite. And I know I've been just a little bit MIA here on YouTube, but I have been doing clients and taking clients, it seems like almost every day, especially during the Christmas season. But it's nice and I'm definitely enjoying it. And I'm just so glad that, I made the decision to basically change my career and, go into the beauty industry. So yeah, I did have an inspiration picture for this set, and I will leave that here on the screen and try to leave the, link for the inspiration. My client did just bring me in a picture, so I'll do my best to get that for you guys. But yeah, she wanted some encapsulated nails, do some little bit of glitter, and we're gonna do some hand-drawn nail art. So I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch this process. Don't forget, there will be giveaway entry stuff coming up soon. All right, you guys, moving on to the filing portion. I have recently switched the files that I used. I was previously using 4 Pro brand, and it was 100 grit, and I did like that one, but I wanted to try out the Car Lash brand, and I'm definitely loving this brand, you know, just a little better than the 4 Pro. I feel like they're just a little more coarse, and I don't have to put in as much work, you know, when it comes to filing. So highly recommend these. I'll have them linked in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and reshape these nails, and then I like to file over the surface of the nail just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth and there's not like any lumps and bumps, especially whenever you're doing encapsulated nails. A lot of time your acrylic application can be a little bumpy when you're trying to encapsulate glitters and, you know, anything that you're trying to encapsulate. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and ask you guys my giveaway question. So just to enter the giveaway, just go ahead and leave your comment down below, and I will do a random comment picker, and I will be announcing the giveaway most likely in my next video. If it's not in my next video, you guys, it will for sure be in that next video. I do have another video that I need to get edited and recorded. Edited and uploaded before Christmas, because it is a Christmas set of nails. But yeah, so my question for this giveaway is, what are you most appreciative of for the year of 2022? Go ahead and leave me that comment down below. Don't forget, I will need to get an address just to send your products to you. So if you're not comfortable giving that information, please do not enter in the giveaway, because then I'll have to pick somebody else, and it's just kind of hard to do that when, you know, I have the schedule that I do for, you know, my giveaways. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to send whoever is the giveaway winner a whole bunch of nail goodies. So now I'm going in with my 5-in-1 bit from Not Polish, and I'm just sealing the cuticles, and then I just lightly take my e-file over the surface of the nail as well. And now I'm going in with my mandrel bit and sanding band, and I'm just kind of going back over that. It's just my way to buff the nails, and I'm really loving this method because I have a lot more control over the shape of the overall shape of the nails, like from cuticle to free edge, whenever I'm using this sanding band. And then I am going to go ahead and use my sponge buffer from Profiles Backstage, and then we're going to get started with the nail art. All right, you guys, moving on to the nail art. I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my client's nails with some swipe and a lint-free wipe. we're going to go ahead and do some snowflakes, and we're going to sugar the snowflakes on her nails. I was so excited to do this. I've just been doing snowflakes and snowflakes and snowflakes, and I am loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat these nails. I'm using Gloss It from Not Polish, and I'm going to paint all of the nails with this top coat, and then we're going to go ahead and use the dotting tool method when it comes to drawing out these snowflakes. So if any of you are struggling with snowflakes and drawing them, this method is the easiest method that I have been able to find. I was originally trying to, you know, draw out the snowflakes, and I mean, just with a little bit of practice, you know, they could look a little better, but just the ease in drawing the dots and things like that. And then all you have to do is just, I mean, keep a steady hand and use a very thin liner brush, and then just draw straight through those snowflakes. I did do another video like this with I mean, it was a completely different design, but I was doing snowflakes, so I will leave that in the cards or in the description box for you if you want to get any more, you know, inspo or guidance on that. And then I'm going to go in with this glitter from Profiles Backstage. It's called Angelic. It is so pretty. It's super fine. It's not like their finest glitter, so it is just a little bit chunky. But yeah, so we're basically just going to take my dotting tool, and we're going to do 3 dots just straight up, and then we're going to do 2 down, and then we're going to do 2 on each side, and then 1 just kind of in between, you know, this cross on all 4 little quadrants. And then yeah, we're going to take our nail art brush and just draw a straight line through, sugar that, and then you're going to cure it, and then you're going to wipe that off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have definitely been enjoying uploading and, you know, just showing you guys my journey, and, you know, giving y'all all the good tips and tricks, because your girl be struggling. So yeah, go ahead and like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Do not forget about the giveaway, you guys. Good luck, and I will see you guys in my next one.